We don't reach anywhere in January and the entertainment world is in a frenzy. I don't even know if 5 is enough, but we're gonna try. Queenie and Amari are BFFs, but that kiss was very odd. Next! Russian versus Kyle Butler. That drama blew up in less than 24 hours. Butler said that Russian steals rhythms and even gave him an ultimatum to recreate Dirty Money live. Russian shot back and said Kyle can't even play ball. It was 24 hours of craziness, but that one is over. Like, next, clearly. D'Angel enters herself into Jada and Stefflon Don's feud. Not too sure that was a good move, but alright. Squindle, Popcorn's big brother, is now an A&R at Sony Records. Congrats! And finally holding the spot this week, TJ versus the world, cause at the rate he's going, he's gonna tell everybody off. He has released a diss track aimed at a certain artist and their manager. But Valiant took like 4 hours to respond, so let's see what's next. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Italy Talks Authorization. Intense 2 forward.